Hello and welcome to How to Log In. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to describe you how you can generate a business plan using Gemini AI. Open Gemini AI and go to the prompt and write something like informations about your budget, where you are from, and what type of business you want to do. Let me go ahead and write that I'm from India and my budget is around rupees 2 lakh and give me a business idea. Now Gemini AI will provide you three options of low investment, medium investment, and high investment. You can check out the business plans which Gemini AI has provided. It will provide you some accurate and applicable business ideas. So let me go ahead and write that I want a business idea in the food industry. So I will type now, give me some idea for starting a business in a food industry. After that, press next, wait for a while, and shortly Gemini AI will surely provide you a good business idea for the food industry. You can see that it has provided me with three types of category as well. You can start business from home, spice blends, preserves and pickles, catering services, food truck, cloud kitchen, small cafeteria, and all. It also gives you additional tips to grow your business, as it is very advantageous. You should go ahead and follow these business ideas and the tips. So this is how you generate a business idea through Gemini AI. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to our channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video. Until then, goodbye, take care, and enjoy.